Good afternoon, my name is David from Sanford, Florida. This is my 1978 Gerring. I got it out of California. When I got it, it was a total basket case. Had to redo the interior, the motor, transmission, pretty much everything. The only thing that I didn't have to do was repaint it. I did have it clear coated, and that was about all I've done to the paint. Other than that, it's all original.
You got the graphics are all...
Okay. All the graphics are original, came with the thing. It's a headrest made by Gerring. The style is the Libra. They made several different kinds, and this is just one of them. It's been a good van so far. Rebuilt the motor and really haven't had any problems with it. That is the original motor, I just had it rebuilt. It's got a 350 in it.
350.
Yeah, when I got it, it had 2 cracked heads. Had to be bored out because the water was sitting in there too long, so we put early 70s heads, pre-smog heads and cam on it, and it runs great. Yeah. So
you can walk around the back here.
Put the max fan up top.
Oh yeah, there you go.
Yeah, and that works out really well. We got a ladder and a sticker and a spare, and just trying to keep it as basic as I can, just like it was from the factory.
Yeah, there's not a whole lot of them around.
Not many. No, they're out there. They really are out there.
Yeah.
Won a couple shows with it so far.
Oh yeah.
So won 3 Best of Chevys, hunting number 4.
And then you was telling me you tore the whole inside out and put it back in.
Correct.
Right? Yeah.
Correct. The entire interior came out.
I think we have some photos of that, don't we?
We do. Everything had to be cleaned. Everything had to be redone. More insulation put in. Restained all the wood. Replaced all the carpet. Fixed all the wiring so all the lights work now. Everything works. It's a pull-out bed. It's not electric. I got a regular refrigerator instead of a cooler in there now.
Oh yeah, you switched that out.
Yeah, I switched that out because I didn't want to be looking for ice everywhere I went.
A lot of room.
Yeah, and that's basically it. I try to keep it just as stock as it was.
Yeah.
Without any kind of big thrills or nothing.
You got a lot of room in here.
Yes, sir.
No, you was telling me about these lights.
Yep.
The old-fashioned lights.
Well, I couldn't find any for sale, so I took a picture of some that were in another guy's van and I recreated those. And those are all stained glass that I made.
Yeah, there you go.
Yeah, those are all stained glass.
Nice.
So we got that. The 3 center ones up in there are stained glass as well. I had to make that.
Very cool.
I had to get, and like I said, the wiring, you know, rats chewed up a little bit, had to fix all that.
Oh, you did a great job on it, man.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Love it. Love it.
Yeah, thank you.
Absolutely.
Yeah, it gets a lot of attention. Everybody really likes this thing.
Oh, yeah. You didn't even realize it was something until you talked to Wayne, right?
Exactly. Like I said, I seen it for sale, and it was out in California. I'm in Florida, and it was out in California, and I just fell in love with it and brought it home and started working on it. That's when I met Wayne, and he kind of schooled me exactly what I had.
Yeah. Hey, Gerring original.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, buddy. All right, Dave. Well, it's good meeting you here, and
yes.
Thanks for showing it to us.
Yes, thank you. I appreciate it.
We appreciate it. Very cool.
Okay, you have a great day.
It's a great find.